This is Ian from Lean Media, and today I'm going to be talking about Amazon's policies concerning dietary supplements. And last year on the Amazon Seller Central forums, people started popping up who were selling these things and saying that all of a sudden Amazon is asking for very detailed certifications relating to supplements. And if you go to Amazon Seller Central and search for dietary supplements, you'll come to the policy page, which basically lays everything out. What Amazon is trying to do is they're following FDA regulations, and they're asking for all kinds of labeling and certifications, which is expensive and is totally necessary, considering this is something that people ingest into their bodies. It's very detailed, and I think what happened is a lot of the small sellers were shaken out because they just could not provide these things like a valid good manufacturing practice certificate or a certificate of analysis, which costs thousands of dollars. For the ingredients that are inside. So even though that happened, what apparently is going on is some sellers turned to distributors and used their certifications or their supposed promises about these particular products, and now they're getting in trouble. And the first evidence of this was let's go to the top here. Was a post on the Seller Central forum talking about refunds for $175,000 in orders and growing. And they said, yesterday we received an email from Amazon saying we needed to issue a voluntary recall to the FDA for some product we sold last year. We sold the products for about 5 months ending in November, and that coincides with some of the new rules that Amazon put into place. I filled out the form on the FDA website, sent the emails to Amazon as requested, and there's details about how it had to be refunded. And since last night to now, we've had many thousands of these emails come in to our account, and now we have a negative six-figure balance and growing. It looks like they're going to refund all of the orders for these products, and the person says, I have nowhere near the negative account balance to cover it. So this particular person is in trouble because of this, and it turns out that they were purchasing these supplements from a distributor who was either clueless or not being upfront about what was inside, and there was a situation where there was something bad happened. The FDA cracked down on it, and now Amazon is forcing this particular seller to refund the money. The advice for this particular person on the Amazon Seller Central forum for more experienced sellers is, first of all, to get a lawyer, and this is something that will require a lawyer because, frankly, there may be some not only financial liability involved, but potentially even some legal liability involved with that. I guess the moral of the story here is reconsider getting involved in selling supplements on Amazon and other online marketplaces because there are rules around this. It can be dangerous for customers. It is a health risk, and sometimes there are some very serious consequences that can come about if either you get caught or, even worse, somebody gets hurt. This is Ian Lamont from Lean Media. Thank you so much for watching.